the 2007 Ford Expedition. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, turn signal indicator mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.